Hello friends, I am Ambika. Welcome to SA Educational Hub, a platform to share knowledge, service providers Shitun and Ambika. In this Python tutorial, we will learn extend method in Python. The list extend method. The extend method in Python adds all the items from the iterable such as a list, tuple, set or string to the end of the list. The extend method is an efficient way to merge two lists or add multiple items at the end of the list. Syntax: list dot extend iterable. Parameter iterable. Any iterable such as list, tuple, set, string, etc. This parameter is mandatory. The return value of the extend method is none. The extend method does not create a new list, rather the list is modified in place. To get a better understanding of the method, let's examine some examples of extend method in Python. Example 1. In this example, the first thing I did was create a new list with the three elements 1, 2 and 3 and assign it to the variable mylist1. In the next statement, I created another new list with the two elements 4 and 5 and assigned it to the variable mylist2. In the next statement, we call the extend method with a list mylist2 as an argument. The extend method takes the list as an argument and appends all of the elements to the end of the list. In this example, the extend method adds each element from mylist2 to the end of the mylist1. This example leaves mylist2 unmodified. The original list mylist1 is modified and no new list is created. Now the mylist1 contains the 5 elements 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. The print statement print mylist1 will display the modified list. Example 2. In this example, the first thing I did was create a new list with the two elements a and b and assign it to the variable mylist. In the next statement, the string value cd is assigned to the variable st. Next, we call the extend method with the string value cd as an argument. The extend method can work with various types of iterables such as lists, tuples, sets and strings. In the case of a string, each character will be added separately at the end of the list. In this example, the extend method adds each character of the st to the end of the mylist. The original list mylist is modified and no new list is created. Now the mylist contains the 4 elements a, b, c and d. The print statement print mylist will display the modified list. Difference between extend and append. The difference between the extend method and the append method is that extend method adds each element of the iterable individually, while append method adds the entire iterable as a single element. The extend method is an efficient way to merge two lists or add multiple items at the end of the list. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Next video is insert method in Python. Contact us ambikarai27@gmail.com. Please feel free to contact us if you have any questions or suggestions. Thank you.